Why did I sound like that? Today I am going to be doing a Christmas makeup look, and I didn't really know what Christmas look to do. I didn't know if I should go the glam route or the more creative route or the more like transforming into Santa route, but I kind of mixed the glam and the transforming into Santa into one, which I think is a brilliant idea, and I haven't seen anyone do it yet. So if you want to see me transform into a glam Santa, then just keep on watching. Also, my voice is kind of deep today because I'm kind of sick. Let's just get started. I'm gonna start off with eyebrows. So I'm gonna take some white paint, face paint obviously. Just gonna brush this paint through them. Hell yeah, look at that. Oh, I got it in my hair. Started watching that glow up show on Netflix. It's quite cool, but I also think it's so funny how when someone like nails something, one of the judges, the girl with like the pointy glasses, I don't know what her name is, but she goes, she says ding dong. Ding dong. And I just think it's so funny, but also kind of annoying at the same time. So yeah. So now, just like if you're doing your normal glam makeup, I'm going to carve my eyebrows out. Ooh. I'm gonna do my other eyebrow and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I have also primed my eyelids. Also, I forgot to tell you, I have like a Santa bar. For the eyeshadow, I really want to do like greens, but I don't have any like bright green eyeshadows. So I'm gonna start off by putting a base of like some green paint just like on my eyelid. Just like blending it upwards slowly as you get less and less green on your brush. For some strange reason, I feel like an Oompa Loompa. Okay, so I'm now just gonna set my eyes with a bit of powder. I'm gonna take this blending brush, which is a bit smaller. I'm gonna take this like dark green. I'm just gonna pat this on the outer V. Ooh, that's so dark. And then I'm going to pat this into the crease. Take a clean blending brush and I'm going to blend out this colour. I feel like kind of disappointed that I haven't been uploading as much recently. But my last video did quite well in terms of like, I'm not comparing myself to other people, I'm comparing it to other videos of my own. Oh damn, that's so smoky. Okay, I'm just gonna go in with like a flat brush and a dark grey. And just blend it out with the brush we applied the green with. Why have I not done these colours before? Okay, so now I want to apply this green colour here. Shimmery green colour onto like the lid. Okay, so that sort of just makes my whole lid look the same colour. So I decided I'll just like go in and highlight my inner corner with like a really bright white and then sort of drag it onto the lid. adds dimension to the look. I'm gonna add some black onto the outer V. So it is now time to do like my face makeup. We're first going to start with a little bit of foundation. So I would like to know what your favourite Christmas song is, because mine at the moment is Santa, tell me if you're really there. Now I'm going to do some cream contouring. One that I made myself. It's very cool toned, which is how contour is meant to be, people. This is meant to look like a shadow. Right, I'm gonna get my flat brush, and then you look straight ahead. I need to do this straighter. And then you go straight into the hollows. Now we grab our foundation brush and we are going to blend upwards. Now I have cheekbones. Oh damn, look at my cheekbones. Now we can do some concealer slash highlighting. I'm first gonna start by putting a tiny dollop, that's not even a word, under my eye. Blending it out with this little brush here. So, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. Grab your foundation brush and blend under your eyeball. Now we have no eye bags. My oh my. Now we have to go back to the contouring because I forgot to do the schnoz. Okay, so I've done the contour on the nose and I am now going to just like clean it up and highlight it with some concealer. Okay, then I'm going to take the foundation brush and blend. I'm just going to go ahead and set like under my eyes everywhere. I put the concealer basically. Now I'm just going to take some bronzer. Just add some nice warmth to the face. I'm just going to tap a little bit over the sides of my nose. I'm now just going to go in with some blush. I'm going to go in with quite a lot so that I look kind of like cold and cute. Just go and tap over like the edge of my nose. Feel like I would never try again when I saw you. Now for the last thing on the face, I'm just going to take this eyeshadow and I'm going to use it as a highlight because it's like super white. And I wanted a super like white highlight. Now I'm just going to finish off the eyes. So I'm going to take this brush that we used for the green and take the dark green and just swoop that under my eyes. Now I'm just going to put some mascara on and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply a red lip before I do the beard. So I've got this Chi Chi lip liner in Lady in Red. Now I have my red lip on. I'm looking very festive. I'm now deciding that I think I'm going to put on all the No, actually no. I'll put on all the accessories at the end, so it's like a big reveal sort of. But right now I'm going to do the beard, and what I'm going to do for the beard is I'm basically just going to use latex along here and then string cotton balls down so it looks like hair. I've forgotten how much this stuff smells. So baby, fall in love again if you want me here next year. New York. I'm back and I'm finished. Oh my gosh. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure to smash that like button if you liked the look I created, because personally I'm obsessed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. It helps me out so much, and you get to see more of these looks, or you get to talk with me in the comments. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!